Hi everyone, welcome to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman, here to provide you with unbeatable value to your home. This week we have 6 insider questions for you to ask as a homeowner when you're looking to replace your HVAC system. Question 1, how long will the consultation take? A proper consultation should take between 45 and 90 minutes. This is ample time for the comfort specialist to evaluate the system, go over options, answer your questions, and discuss solutions that are right for you. Anything less may leave stones unturned that could be valuable during the replacement. Question 2, do you offer financing? You need to ask this question even if you're a cash buyer. If they say no, you may want to consider getting another quote. Question 3, will you be sending any notification as to who will be coming out to my home? A company that is focused on providing great service should want you to be completely comfortable with a stranger coming into your home. So their answer should be yes. This information will allow you to verify that the person that shows up is the person that's supposed to be at your home. Question 4, who owns the company and how long have you been in business? I'll go ahead and answer this question for you right now. Dad started the company back in 1986. Today, my brother Tyler and I run the company, and we back everything with our owner's voice guarantee. Question 5, are you licensed and do you handle all the permitting requirements? Believe it or not, there are still companies out there doing HVAC installations that are not licensed. Any reputable company will have copies of their licenses on hand and should be able to produce a copy if needed. Make sure they have a current license with the city you live in. Question 6, does your company carry the proper insurance? Proper insurance protects not only the company and their employees, but you as well if there is an accident causing bodily injury or property damage that happens while they're on your job site. At Peterman, we are more than happy to answer all these questions and more when it comes to installing a new system with us. Thanks for watching, and we hope you can use this information to your benefit. See you next time.